Starting around 27 September 2023, AMP generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in most recent 60 minutes, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP basically has a for the most part complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in every practical sense, significant way. This in every practical sense makes AMP truly positioning at 193 in the digital currency market, so this truly makes AMP kind of positioning at 193 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP especially be by and large worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. Is AMP a kind of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will AMP cost generally outperform its unequal genuinely high in an unpretentious manner? These fundamentally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.003, the normal especially least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to be $0.003, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, AMP can generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.003 in a sort of enormous manner. AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the greatest cost for AMP could in every practical sense stretch around $0.003, or so they generally thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023 explicitly is $0.003 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003, amazingly. AMP value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP in every way that really matters is estimated to explicitly be at around a very least worth of $0.003, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The AMP value worth can sort of arrive at a by and large limit of $0.003, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, exhibiting that this certainly makes AMP truly positioning at 193 in the cryptographic money market, so this essentially makes AMP truly positioning at 193 in the digital currency market in a kind of significant manner. AMP value gauge October 2023. The AMP estimate for October 2023 expects that the AMP may truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.003, with a truly least cost of around $0.003, kind of additional appearance how AMP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the by and large greatest cost for AMP could truly stretch around $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. Discussing the especially normal value AMP can essentially stretch around $0.003 for October, which certainly is very critical. AMP value conjecture November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a really least worth of $0.003, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost fundamentally is around $0.003, which essentially is very huge. The genuinely normal cost for AMP for the most part is explicitly anticipated to truly reach $0.003 in November 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP in every practical sense is determined to generally be at around a really least worth of $0.003 in a very significant manner. The AMP value worth can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0.003, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in a really significant way. AMP in every practical sense, past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto especially, has been especially diminished by 6.66% in its sort of current worth in every practical sense, large way. Assuming we basically analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the AMP generally was in awesome vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%, or so they fundamentally thought. AMP especially has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, so these generally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP certainly diminished by 40.327%, dispensing with an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.002 from its especially current worth, which truly is genuinely critical. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can generally be a decent, most certainly purchase an open door for most certainly speedy venture, showing how might AMP cost truly outperform its record-breaking, especially high in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 51.19%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a fundamentally least certainly normal cost of $0.005 to exceptionally greatest certainly normal cost of $0.005 in the kind of beyond 90 days, showing how AMP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the extremely most extreme cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0.003. In opposition to mainstream thinking, AMP most certainly is somewhere near 23.25%, with the sort of greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin basically was around $0.003, and the essentially least really normal cost of in a real sense was around $0.003 in especially beyond 4 months in a very significant manner. AMP value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be AMP extremely worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical? The AMP value sort of is estimated to sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $0.003, with genuinely least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, so AMP value conjecture October 2023. The AMP figure for October 2023 expects that the AMP may explicitly arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.003, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.003. Especially further appearance how AMP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for AMP could generally stretch around $0.003, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does AMP in every way that really matters have a future? Amazingly. As far as value, AMP certainly has an extraordinary kind of potential to arrive at new levels, which especially is genuinely huge. It especially is estimate that AMP will increment in esteem, in every practical sense, further appearance, how discussing the extremely normal value AMP can sort of stretch around $0.003 for October in a fundamentally huge manner. As indicated by in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business